In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Welcome back, students. Before I'm going to start my video, try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy. So yesterday we discussed file menu, but I told you before that in the second video I'm going to discuss with you the introduction of MS Excel. Shortly, I just give some point in here. If you want to write completely in the first video, so that is complete introduction. Clear? So both of them is correct. If you want to write in the short form, you can write this one. But if you want to write in the long term, so you have to write that one that I already recorded in the first video. So look at here, MS is one of Microsoft program which is mostly used for calculation. That as we discussed before, we can do different calculation in this one. In the file of MS Excel is called book. In every book we have contains sheet. Like there is no limitation for sheet. Clear? There is unlimited sheet. Every sheet contains with a row in column in cells. It means in every sheet we have row, column in cell. And at the end we can also make a table in different pivot tables, so we can make, so that will be working practical. So that was the definition. If you want to write, so you can write it easily. Clear? So let's start our topic. I'm coming to Excel and right here Excel. So today we are going to start from home tip, right? The first one I'm going to write, for example, any kind of text if you want to write. So I want to cut this text. So what is the difference between copy and cut? The first one, cut, means I'm going to cut this text in here. I want to change the place. So it means then click on the page. So you can just change the place. Number two, copy, means I'm going to take a copy of this one, then click here, then click on the paste. So automatically the copy of this one will be pasted here. Number three is format pointer. Like how, for example, I select this one and then click here background color in text. Then click here, I want to copy. Like for example, someone say I like this color design and I'm going to implement this design on this table. Then click on the format tools and then apply here like this, right? The next one is Control A. I select all the text. Which kind of tip tags? It means your text design which you should apply in here. Normally we apply new time Roman, but if you want to apply different styles, so you can apply different style from here. Normal size of text is 12, but if you want to take increase or decrease from here, you can. But normally we are using 12. From here you can increase or decrease the text style. From here directly, here step by step you can increase or decrease. B means bold, I means italic, U means underline. If I tick all borders, so it means all the text will be included in the inside of the border. This one is a background color and this one is a text color. Background means backs out of the text and text means that will implement on the text. Come to the next one. If you want to work this part, so it means I told you before, this one is row, this one is column. For this one we call them cell. So I selected this one, then come to merge center, click on the merge. And I write here, for example, welcome. I'm going to write here one of the text, for example, welcome. So you can write it here, welcome. So right now it is not working. So when I'm going to click on this line, so that will be on. So in which place you want, so click here. There is a position, so in which position you want. But if you want to give them a different style, from here we have a different angle. Any angle you can apply from here. Look at, there is a different angle. And from here you can, for example, frame in back style, for example, you can give them, right? The next one is text wrapping. What does text wrapping mean, sir? Like for example, someone say I'm going to write in this one cell, I'm going to write my text, sir. So then click on the text wrapping. When I'm going to write something, so that will be right only in one cell. In one cell that will be right. It clear? In the second one we discuss merge, but in the merge there is some option. Like for example, I select this one. From merge means that the merge center means they will just make one. It means one cell they will make. Number two, I need in a cross form, then click on the cross merge. Automatically that will be coming in the cross form. Clear? Like this. Number three is again I want to merge, so again you can merge. Unmerge means I need by default, then click on this one. The next one is general. General means, like for example, I'm going to salary give for employees. Like for example, I'm going to prepare one of the table salary and then write different salary for the organization people, right? Look at here. Right now the people can understand because this one is a salary. I want to give them a different shape, right? Like the other employees will be not understand that this one is a salary or something else. Then come to the general, there's a different format. Like for example, number, currency, counting, short date, long date, time, percent, fraction, scientific. So these are the, it means a different type of style we can implement by this salary. Like for example, if I take in the long short text, so that will be converted to the short text. People, it means a common people, the people who is working for organization, they didn't understand this one is a salary or a kind of data, right? So if you want to take like for example percentage with this number, if you want to convert to the fraction or scientific, you can convert it. But normally if I take in the long, for example long date, so people can't understand this one. I implement this one, I will be coming here, then I will take a general. When I take a general or number, so that will be coming to the normal situation, right? So these are the different type. But if look at it, every country need like they have their own currency, and there is a different. I need, for example, with this number, like euro sign, like dollar sign, I need, so that will be coming dollar sign. If you need a percentage, then click on the percentage. If you need a comma, then click on the comma. If you need a decimal like zero, we call them decimal, increase or decrease from here, decimal, right? Conditional format means show me the number which is greater. Greater means the highest number. Then click on this one. Automatically, computer will be select this one. Why? Because this one is the highest number. Number two, we have from here least than. It means this number is not select. The other number is least. So that is why computer select the other number. Number three is between. I'm going to write show me the number which is 100, between 100 and in the second one you should write 1000, for example, right? 1000. The number which is selected, that is between 100 and 1000, so that is why computer selected. Clear? The next one is from here equal. There is a huge difference between equal and duplicate. Some people say there is no difference between equal and duplicate, but there is a difference. Look at it. I'm going to write a different number in here, but some number I will write the same. Look at it. In this number, I don't know which number is equal or which number is duplicate. I'm coming here in the equal. You should mention the number. Like how, for example, I'm going to write here 45. Then computer will be select the duplicate value. It means you must be enter. If you do not enter the value, computer will not select the equal one. It means you must be enter the value in the equal. What does text means? Like for example, if I'm going to write here the text, and if you want to give them a different color, so from here you can implement different color. Click here. So these are the colors. Look at it. Apply from here different color. Which color you want to need? Then click here. And the next one is data. From three ways we can insert date in time. The first one, from formula equal, click equal. I'm going to write from formula equal now. Shift bracket start and bracket close. I'm going to start bracket and then close bracket. Then click date and time. Both of them will have available from this formula. Equal now, bracket start and bracket close. So date and time both is available. Someone say no, I need just data, no time. Clear? Just data. Then write equal today. Today. Then bracket start and bracket close, so only date is come. But if someone say no, I need this date from shortcut keys, then control semicolon press, automatically the date will come. So these are the three ways. I need this date in the different form, then select from here up to here. So look at it. I'm coming here and I select from here date. Show me the date. Which date you want to date? Like for example today date, then click here on today. Computer will be select this is the today date. Clear? If tomorrow date, if there is a different date, so you can select it. Clear? The next one is duplicate value. As I mentioned before, that duplicate and other is different. Like I told you before, in the equal you should write, you should enter the value. Look at here. In the equal you should mention the value. In duplicate there is no need to mention. Automatically computer will be select the duplicate value. Understand the point? And the next one is show me the number which is in the top 10 form. Show me the number which have top 10 percentage. Simply I'm telling to you, when the number is increased, like there is a huge number, so automatically the percentage will be too much. Then click here. Look at, they will show you percentage. Why they selected this value? Because this one is a large number, so that is why. When it's a when it is a large number, so it means computer will be select that one. Below, then below percentage. Above average means the number which is too much, so it means automatically computer will be select that one. If that was below, so computer will be select the below average or the below number. Yeah. So this one is a bar, different type of bar we are using in the banking, clear. So this one is format, like which kind of format do you want to give them, like there is a different set icons, so which one you want to implement, so we can use this one in the bank, clear. Look at, there is a different type of format. If you don't like this one, so once you I want to implement by my own self, then click on the new rule, and here just select three colors. The first one will be, the lowest one will be like this, the medium will be like this, and the maximum means the highest number will be like this. You can change the color from here, you can take the different color, like I need this one, you can implement this one, clear, by your own self, then click, automatically that will be implemented. The next one is clear. There is four options. Number one, clear from selection means that will be only clear from this selection. Number two, clear from entire sheet. If I have a 20 table, so that will be clear from the whole table, from entire sheet. Pivot table in table is not available yet. Why it is not working? Because we are going to discuss in the next video in here pivot table. And we will be discuss that one in here. Table and pivot table. Yeah. So the next one is manage is the same form of new, like you can also select three colors from here. That is the same, clear? The next one, for example, I need to convert this table to the table, then click on the table, that will be converted to the design table. So that is automatically convert to the design table. The next one is cell format. For one of them, we call them, I want to give them, like I have a different text, I want to give them cell style. So from here, you can implement different type of cell style over here. The next one is insert. What does insert means? Like for example, one of the person, he was making a table in here, and he said that I need here cell, I need here a cell. Then click here insert cell. Automatically you can insert one of the cell that will be coming down. In here we have another cell. Row means they will insert a row. Column means they will insert a column. And sheet means if you need a blank sheet, then click here. This one is the opposite of this one. Look at here. Delete one cell, then that will be deleted. Number two, delete one row, that will be deleted. Then delete one column, so automatically that will be delete one sheet, then that will be deleted. The next one we have from here format. What does format means? Show me the row height, then click on this one. Normally that is 15. If you want to give them 40, so that will be coming and we can count it in the 40. Automatically now it's come 40. But if you want to make them fit, then click auto fit, that will be fit. Number two is column width. If you need in column width, normal is 8.43. If you need a 50, then that will be coming 50. Automatically fit, then click on this one, that will be fit. And the next one is show me the default width of this. They will show you 8.43. That is the default from the computer side. The next one is hide. What does hide means? I want to hide one row, I want to hide one column, I want to hide the sheet. Then from here you can unhide row, then unhide column, then sheet. It's easily, if you want to click here, then right click, automatically we have a hide in here. And the second one, if you want to hide the column, so we have it here. The next one is rename. Rename is if you want to rename this sheet name, so you can change easily. The other shortcut is I will tell you, double click here, you can easily change, double click, clear? The next one is move or copy. Look at, for example, if I have here the text, right, but I'm going to take a copy of this text to other sheet, like it means I need this one, the copy of this one in other sheet, then come to the format and then click on the move or copy, then come to the create a copy. It means I want to take a copy of this one, then click on the OK, so it automatically going to create that. The next one is color. If you want to give them the color, no color for text, clear. Color means like here for a tab you could give them. And the next one is protect cell in format. When we are coming to the review menu, we have protect sheet in format, and here we will be discussed. Uh, yeah, it's enough for today. Tomorrow we are going to start from same. It means there is more option available in here. So today video up to here. And again, I am request you people try to subscribe our channel, the channel which I mentioned in over there on the desktop, multi skills learn academy. So that is mentioned. and here. So this one is our channel. Try to share with your friends. If you have any kind of questions, like for example suggestions, questions, so you can mention in the comment. Thank you so much.